Greetings, everybody. We are back at another theme park, baby. We're at Animal Kingdom. Full a day of just randomness, fun times, Disney, things and stuff and things. But we got a fast pass to the Finding Nemo musical, which we didn't know was closed, then recently reopened.
It's lit.
It's lit. So we're going to Finding Nemo. Come along.
We're going to get popcorn first.
Popcorn! Babe, you want to go in the Boneyard?
I do.
Let's go in the Boneyard. Ah! We were literally going to go into the Boneyard in that trash can. Hey, we're going to the Fossil Fun site. Welcome to the Boneyard. Here we go. You gotta go in there? Go in there. That's it. You can create. Right, I'm gonna squeeze through here. Ah! 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 I couldn't fit. Wait. Wait for me. Ah! 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 I couldn't squeeze.
Shawn is going to the slides. Bye.
Now we just missed it, but that's okay. We'll find other things in the kingdom of animals. Maybe we'll go find Okapi Johnson and help him look for the stolen chai tea. Look at this little guy right here picking at his feet, or whatever he is doing. What are you doing, monkey? Oh yeah, this guy, he's trying to get snacks. Oh, I dropped it. Go get it. Get your food.
I'm trying to get the other one.
Oh, nope, nope, nope. The other guy got it. You were too slow, monkey. This is a first. Holly River Rapids is a 40-minute standby wait. Yeah, that's crazy. But it's 84 degrees, so it's expected. It's something we haven't done in a while. Tough to be a bug. Very tough. It's stressful, some might say. Is it stressful to be a bird? I would assume so.
He's ignoring you.
Apparently. Although I don't know why a ride just isn't called It's Stressful to Be a Bug, because you can get killed by anything at any given time. So yeah, it's tough. Sure. But stressful even more. Wake up in the morning, if you wake up, because you're a bug. Do bugs dream?
Sleep?
Do bugs sleep? I don't know. Can bugs sleep? Can bugs dream? And if a bug dreams, what do they dream about? Do they dream about winning the lottery? Or is the lottery is pure a human concept based on the money, you know, trading goods for other goods, that sort of thing. Man, human life is stressful. It's tough to be a human. It's easy to be a bug. And there it is, right below the Tree of Life. We're going inside the Tree of Life. Give me life. Here we go. Hey! There we go. This may be the most inappropriate poster. The dung and I. But again, they're right. Without dung-eating insects, the earth will soon be piled high with human and animal excrement. This reminds me of the movie The Help. It's a hard bug life for us. It's a hard bug life for us. Instead of kicking, we get kicked. Instead of treated, we get kicked. I don't really know the lines of any, but yeah. Feed me, Seymour. Treat me all can do it. Cause when you feed me Seymour, I can grow up big and strong. Now it's beginning to rain, but I gotta say hello. I gotta say hello. Red rocket, red rocket, red rocket, red rocket, red rocket. Let me see. Did I appease to God? Hey! He approves. They got it all over me. Got it all over me. I truly believe the missed opportunity that Flight of Passage has is not having a single rider line, but at the same time I believe the single rider line will probably get a lot more crowded than the actual line itself. It's really difficult to get fast passes for it, and I was trying the trick of going into the app and out of the app and into the app and out of the app. It doesn't seem to work all the time, but this line does look like it's kind of shortened up a little bit, but then again, just because you don't see it on the outside doesn't mean that it's a very long line on the inside, and it can be very crazy. So we'll see what we're gonna do. Down to 125 minutes. I don't like it, but we're gonna try it anyway. We're trying it. And remember, there's no restrooms inside this facility. So if you gotta poop on yourself. We're gonna try to get on this nightmare. The last time Sheeka and I rode this ride, we had to wait in this really long line that came all the way through. The line stops here, it appears, and we're moving pretty quick, so hopefully it's less than 125 minutes. Also, somebody removed the chain, so it's like pandemonium right now. And we gotta go. We should be going this way.
Well, it says exit.
Yeah.
Well, the change dropped, so we don't know which way to go. I know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Have you bet on it already?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
I think. Let's see. Let me see. We're gonna see if this exit only, because it goes from here to the plant scene. So the plant scene. Yep. This is the right way. Yay! We found the right way. USA. USA. Now the cool part is that we are literally, oh wow, look at that light, gives me this really creepy effect. But this took us maybe 10 minutes, and we're kind of already in the little forest scene, almost into the laboratory scene. So this is actually probably the quickest line of Flight of Passage I've ever been on so far. But we get on it pretty quick. Unfortunately, single rider's still down. I don't understand why they don't do single rider here. I think the one thing I'm curious about is when people they try to go in front of other people. They say my family is up there somewhere. Well, why did you leave the line? If your family is all the way up there, this is almost a 2-hour wait, and you left the line to do whatever you wanted to do, to cut in front of everybody else, to meet up with your family that's already cut an hour out of your time. Why didn't you just wait? I don't understand it. And we remember these. Saw this at the museum. It's like a magnet, like a, what they call it, ferrofluid. Here, and also here. Meaning that it's a very light magnet under here that's just kind of going back and forth. And also here you have the little beads. It kind of goes in with the frequency that's being portrayed from here and over there, and then they just kind of move however the frequency is being played at that time. We gotta do one quick look at our avatar. We're gonna be in you.
What?
Yeah.
What? What? Why
We're gonna be in him.
No, don't say that. Don't say it
here.
Like that. We'll become him. We're not gonna be in him.
Oh, okay. We'll become you. Get it to this area. Actually, FYI, hang on. I'll show you guys this. I don't remember the time we waited in line. It's 5:47. I want to say that was a good 20 minutes.
Yeah, we got mine 5:23.
Yeah, this was super quick. All right.
How many?
Link chamber. Guys, we Flight of Passage is at
26 minutes ago.
26 minutes ago?
26 minutes.
We've been in line for almost half an hour for Flight of Passage. Outside it said an hour and 25. This is
125 minutes.
That was 2 hours.
2 hours.
We waited less than 2 hours.
26 minutes.
This is amazing. This is a first.
I'm excited.
I think it was the rain. I think everybody left because it was the rain and it was hot. But wow. Wonder why.
Is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
It's scanning me. It's scanning me and Sheeka.
You've all
Wow, I got this one. Which one are you gonna get? Oh, you got a girl one.
You've all been matched with avatars.
I wanted the bearded one. So just real quick, that took about a good half an hour wait. So I don't know if I can actually fully trust the wait times of Pandora when I'm outside because of just how quick it really was.
Maybe the wait times are like that to like increase interest.
Right? I think so.
Like when they say, like, you know, the big rib is coming back.
Right? McRib or the Szechuan sauce
With
morning
the shamrock shake.
Shamrock shake
To
because
increase the interest.
yeah, I think that might be it, but that was literally a half an hour wait, so we were in and out of there really quickly.
Half an hour wait, 15-minute ride.
By the way, they have the limited edition Pandora ones. Now this box is actually cracked. You can see the actual box here, but there's the magic band here. Look at that artwork on the side, and if you look over here, there's more artwork. They made about 5,000 of them, and there's 2 of them just sitting waiting for someone to take them. This is cool. I don't remember seeing this. I haven't been in the store in a while, but they actually added the bust of
Zoe Saldana.
Zoe Saldana's character. Saldana. I just know Star Trek. I just
Look at that hair though.
Yeah, look at that hair though.
That hair is fly.
Got the little pansies. Look at him moving his head. But it appears to me that everybody heard my my cries. The line is filling back up for Flight of Passage. I said I quoted about half an hour. Now 95 minutes. So almost instantly. So if you time it properly, you could get right on it really quickly. But I think everybody's getting on it because they saw the chime change. Where did it line up?
At the bottom, yeah. It lit up.
I'm sorry for what I said. I was hangry. Look at the shirt. I'm sorry for what I said. I was hangry. Huh? Because he was hangry.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on.
I'm really excited about the fact that they got Black Panther shirts here. They got a nice Black Panther print here. They got some like pop figures. There's a Black Panther pop figure. There's a Killmonger here. They even have some action figures, which looks really cool. They have a nice big one right over here. I've been seeing a lot lately. So this is actually really cool. I dig it. I'm a big fan of this shirt though. I like that one. King of Wakanda. Wakanda forever. Having fun playing with my hair?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at all that hair. Just messing it up.
You got a brush in the car.
That's right. Alright, well that's it. I just wanted to kind of take a quick trippy trip. A trippy trip. Hey! You made it in the video.
You have to go buy me a shirt that fits.
Yeah, we're leaving Animal Kingdom. That's it. We actually had a pretty good time. We got on Flight of Passage like 30 minutes.
That was amazing.
At least, so that was a lot of fun.
We've only been up since like a little afternoon, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Like it was daylight savings time, so you spring forward, lose an hour. So I guess like they actually lost an hour themselves. So
and they
that's it. We're done. We're leaving the park. We're sick of it. Sort of.
We're sick of it.
We're sick of it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Countdown is on, by the way. 10 episodes away for Negro Orlando 200. And I have some special for that one. I think I'm going to change it up a little bit. So this one is going to be what? It's an anteater. I think. Whoa, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, he is cute.
That's a big guy.
Look at him scratching.
It's a big guy.
Got it.
In there.
Right?
That was a giant anteater. What do you think of the giant anteater?
He was so cute, and I couldn't tell if he had like feathers or if it was fur. I don't know, but he looked hungry.
We were about to say that we're sick of it and we're out of here, but the anteater
Probably more sick of it.
was probably more sick of it than than any of us. But that's it. We're done. We're tired. We're leaving. Not for good. And we need sanitizer. We need sanitizer somewhere. Yes. All right. That's it. We're done.
We're out.
We're out. You heard the lady.
Make the ground shake.